Mommy.
I think so. Yeah, I'll take a picture of you putting your head up.
Wow, you're crazy. You're If you get my hands around that water like this.
You didn't get your hand wet? Ooh, it's starting to rain harder now. Raining harder, isn't it? Goodness.
Look, it's raining over there.
Thundering. You're going to have to stay inside.
No.
I know you like to play outside. Even in the rain, don't you? Just stay on the porch. Yeah. I think it was Mr. Rusty.
When you find that you're always lonely for the love we used to share, just come and I'll be
Barely even dripping now, isn't it?
You can take a picture of that camera. Let me.
Yeah. I'm filming. I'm filming already.
Oh, wait.
Okay. It's slow me a shoe. Thank you. I love you. Love you with all my heart, Jake.
Are you with my heart, Mommy?
Thank you, sweetie.
Hey.